a propaganda warfare against Pakistan. So as you can see on the screen, that amongst the things that he was asked to procure, an army uniform, a navy uniform, a ranger's uniform, along with, if you could stay on that slide with the uniform please, with the name tags. And when he was loitering around in Pakistan procuring these items, because our intelligence agencies are well equipped to deal with any situation, they put him under surveillance when he tried to procure these items. And while he was under surveillance, our intelligence agencies were fully alert and following his trail as to what activities he is carrying out. So he was also asked to get Pakistani currency, cigarettes, matchboxes, lighters, and was also asked to specifically procure Zong SIMs, SIM cards for the mobile telephone. So that is exactly what he did. He procured all these items, and he was on his way to India when law enforcement agencies apprehended him from the sea, arrested him, took these items into custody. So this is part of a greater plan of India to malign Pakistan and to use such propaganda items and disinformation and misinformation. And we've been very, very active in countering the misinformation and disinformation by the Indian media and by the Indian state. Now, this is a glaring example of what extent the Indian state is going to malign Pakistan, because they are not able to digest the successes of Pakistan, be it the success in Marka-e-Haq, the 4-day war, and it was a big failure of the Indian state, of the Indian armed forces, and a humiliating defeat. So they are not able to digest that defeat. They are not able to digest the diplomatic successes, because we've seen that Pakistan is being acknowledged at the world stage, at the global level, by all nations, and Pakistan is well respected. So this is the kind of propaganda warfare that they resort to, and detailed investigations have been carried out. When E'jaz Mallah was taken into custody, and he has confessed to his crime,